Hey y'all, it's your girl LaRobin Lachey, and we are back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What if I told you that turning $1,000 into $10,000 is not about luck? It's all about strategy. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to compound your account, whether it's $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000. I'll show you how small, consistent gains can lead up to big profit. If you're ready to go ahead and level up your trading game, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's dive in.
A few moments later.
Thank you guys for tuning in, and welcome to my PowerPoint. I want to show you guys how I plan on helping you make $10,000 this year. If you can keep it simple, follow your trading plan, and all you have to do is let the compounding do the work. That's it. I'm not here to sell anybody a dream. I'm here to let you guys know what works. Growing an account from $1,000 to $10,000 with the 1 to 3 risk to reward and using only 8%, which is medium risk, it requires you have discipline. Small gains equals big money in trading. A lot of times traders want that big win quickly, but the real secret is you have to make small, consistent gains. That leads me into my next slide. People would chase 100% of trades, but you only need 5 to 8% weekly growth. If you only take 4 to 5 trades a week with a 50% win rate, risking only 1 to 3, it could work. When I say 1 to 3 risk to reward, that means that every dollar that you risk, you are aiming to make $3 in profit. Now, let's go ahead and look at this example. If you're risking 3% on $1,000, that's $30 per trade. On a 1 to 3 RR, risk to reward, then you would have won $90. Now, let's say you was risking 5%, which is $50. If you win that trade, then you will have won $150. And that is the power of compounding. I want to show you in 3 examples on how to make $10,000. In the first example, I want to show you how to get to $10,000 with a balance of $1,000. In the second example, we'll be having a balance of $2,000 going to $10,000. And in the third example, we will have a balance of $5,000 and we will be compounding $5,000 to $10,000. Let's head on over to our first example. So as you can see, it's week 1 and we're starting off with a balance of $1,000. By the time we get to week 16, we should be at $10,754. By using this simple risk management chart, you could get to over $10,000 in 4 months. And this can be done with a 50% win rate. If you're only taking 4 trades per week and you win 2 and you lose 2, you will still be profitable that week. Now, let's head on over to our second example. We have a balance of $2,000 and we're trying to get it to $10K. So we can accomplish that in 6 weeks. If you stick to the plan and have strict discipline, you could get to those goals in 6 weeks. So that's like a month and a half. And if you're going for a 1 to 3 risk to reward, that means 1 win cancels out 3 losses. And that is how you're going to continue to be profitable, even with a 50% win rate. During this challenge, you need to be taking quality setups. A quality setup is a high probability trade that leads to a higher success rate. And this is based off of key elements like market structure. Is the market going up or is it going down? It is based off of key levels like support and resistance. It is based off of fair value gaps. High quality trades is based off of the confluences that you use to trade. Poor setups lead to emotional trading and bigger losses, while quality setups keep you disciplined and confident. With that being said, we're not trying to be taking no unnecessary losses. We're trying to grow our accounts as fast as possible and then move on to the next goal. Now, this is for someone who's trying to flip their accounts from 5,000 to 10K. You can literally accomplish this goal in 1 month with a 50% win rate while using a 1 to 3 risk to reward. In 1 month, you can be up over $10,000, ending balance at $11,958 if you stick to the plan. Now, this is the power of compounding. This is what separates successful traders from gamblers. That's why it's so important to learn risk management and to use a fixed percentage to help you multiply your money over time. In this video, I gave you 3 examples on how to accomplish a 10K goal, starting with $1,000, $2,000, and also $5,000. But it is also important for you to understand where you need to start it. You need to set realistic growth targets. Instead of always trying to get that big win, you should focus on small, consistent growth over time. Trading is a journey, and a lot of time we look at other successful traders and think we should be at their level. You will accomplish your goals much faster if you focus on your own growth targets. Find a simple, high probability strategy and just stick with it. We don't need to chase every trade. If you continue to take poor setups, that will only lead to blown accounts. Now, let's talk about what to do once you start compounding that account. Once you start hitting those milestones and you start compounding that account, now it's time to take some profit. The goal is to take money out and leave a little cushion in there so you can continue to build that account. If you were disciplined enough to grow your account to 10K, then you can do it again. At this point, it's just repetition. The goal is to keep it simple, and we want to follow the plan in place. If you want to be a profitable trader, then we got to take those high quality setups. It's not about how fast you're flipping your account. It's about doing it sustainably. Take your time and let the compounding do the work. When you're compounding your account in the beginning, you're not going to see those results right away. Like, you'll see small gains, but as time goes by and you stay disciplined, you're going to see your account continue to grow. Getting your account to 10K is not that hard. You just got to follow the process. I hope you guys got some value out of my PowerPoint. I went over how you can start from $1,000 and get all the way to 10K in just a few months or even 1 month. All you need to do is have good risk management and a good high probability strategy. I'm showing you how you can use a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is easy. If you have a good strategy, you can accomplish that goal. You can consistently hit 1 to 3 risk to reward each week, only taking 4 to 5 trades. Like, all you need to have is a 50% win rate and you can accomplish your goals. I gave you guys the layout in the presentation. You've seen the numbers, and all you got to do is start checking them off. It's all about seeing the vision and going after your goals. If you want to make 10K in a day and you need help making 10K a day, I have a free community that you can join right now. Click the link in my description and you will find all the information. With everything that I talked about today, I just want to add on to that. If you want to be a profitable trader, and if you want to hit those 10K, 20K goals, then you got to be able to accept what the market is giving you. If you got a loss for the day, then you just need to be okay with that. Accept losing for the day. A lot of times traders will lose a trade, right? And they will take it personally. and they will try to go back and win the next trade. A lot of times that results in a loss as well. So now you lost 2 trades and now your account is decreasing. Sometimes the market just not ready. Sometimes the market is just not trying to pay us. Like, you could be stuck in consolidation or anything. Even if you win a trade, you should accept that win and be done for the day. I gave you a visual on how to get from $1,000 to $10,000. Once you reach that goal for the week, be done. Be done trading. Like, we're here to get those results, and we're trying to check them off and continue to go and grow. If you need help understanding how to trade, or if you're looking for a solid strategy, be sure to check the description. I have 2 ebooks that'll help you out. As always, thank you guys for watching my content. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.